In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Calendly with Google Calendar. If you're someone who wants to simplify your scheduling process and keep your calendar coordinated across platforms, you're in the right place. So, let's dive into this step-by-step guide. First, let's start by heading over to Calendly. Simply open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Calendly website. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already done so. If you're new to Calendly, you can easily sign up for an account. It's a fantastic tool designed to streamline your meeting scheduling process by allowing others to book appointments with you according to the availability you set. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the Integrations and Apps section. It's usually right there in the navigation menu on your dashboard. By clicking on this section, you'll be introduced to a world of possibilities where Calendly can be integrated with numerous apps. But today, we're focusing on linking it with Google Calendar. Next, in the list of available integrations, locate Google Calendar. It should be fairly easy to find since it's one of the most popular calendar tools available. Highlighting this integration benefits those of us who already use Google's suite of applications, making it a convenient choice for maintaining a consistent schedule across different platforms. After you've found Google Calendar in the list, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to another page where we'll make the connection happen. Clicking on this integration option will showcase some brief partnership benefits. Drill into those if you're curious, but otherwise, let's move to the connection step. Now, the crucial part, click on Connect. This action will prompt you to authorize Calendly to access your Google Calendar. It's a simple process, and you'll likely be asked to verify a few permissions to ensure secure access. This step is essential as it allows Calendly to seamlessly update your Google Calendar with any appointments scheduled through the app. Rest assured your data privacy is maintained throughout this process. Once you've clicked Connect and agreed to the necessary permissions, your Calendly account will be linked with your Google Calendar. Congratulations, you are now connected. With this integration, any meetings or events scheduled through Calendly will automatically populate in your Google Calendar, keeping you organized and in control of your time. And that's it for our guide today on integrating Calendly with Google Calendar. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to have a synchronized schedule, enhancing your productivity both personally and professionally. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy scheduling!